Hey, what's going on, guys? Team Murphy here, back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be going over the best TikTok practices when it comes to bidding. Now, if you're new to this channel, I talk about e-commerce, digital marketing, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, mostly Shopify-based advertising and creating of the stores. But if you guys want to learn more about that, hit the like and subscribe button because that shows to me that you guys really enjoy the videos and you want to see more content like this. So let's get straight into it, guys. We have this TikTok, bidding best practices situation here. And, what I've noticed over the past couple of months running TikTok ads is that the bid is extremely sensitive. So what I'm teaching you today is going to be really important, knowing, how to increase your bid, when to touch your bid, and, everything of that nature when it comes to just TikTok bidding in general. So, guys, let's look at this slide right here. So like I said, the TikTok bid is, extremely sensitive. And, a lot of times we have problems with the ad group not spending. So if you're new to TikTok, the ad group is basically like an ad set on Facebook. So, you want to choose your target CPA or what is your goal per purchase. Usually I like to keep this between $15 and $25. Also depends on, what product you're selling and the product price of that. But for a first bid, $15 to $25 is a good starting point. And say you set that $15 bid, you set that $20 bid, whatever, you choose to do, and you realize it just isn't spending. And what I mean by isn't spending is you gave it at least 2 to 3 days and it didn't spend $1 or $2. But you should know also that TikTok is very rangy when it comes to spend. So one day it could spend $30, another day it can only spend $5. So you have to let the algorithm, do its part and, be patient with the process, which I'm going to talk about later on as well. But say it didn't spend the first couple of days and you want to change the bid. So for the first couple of days, try to stay within 20% of your bid. So if your bid is $20, increase it by $4 and let it go for two to 3 days and see if it will spend more, and just give it time to optimize, right? And it's kind of like a waiting game, and just being super patient when it comes to testing the bids and not changing too many variables at a time, because that's what I noticed when I first started doing these ads is I would change way too many things at once and it would just be all over the place. So guys, you have to be super careful when you're changing your bids. And like I said, if it's not spending at the current bid, right? So say we took it to $20 and we raised it to $24 bid, right? We kept in that 20% range. And if it's not spending at $24 after we raised it, this is the time where, I kind of go off of that 20% current bid, meaning if it's, say that new bid is now $24, we're going to duplicate that ad group and, up it by, more than 20%. So you say you take it from $24 to $34, right? And, this all depends on you. I usually raise it at least $10 to $15 if it's really not spending after the, initial change. So guys, just to give you a roadmap, right? We launched our ad group. It had a $20 bid, right? We let that run for 2 to 3 days. It didn't spend. Next, we raised that same ad group to $24 bid, and we waited, another 2 days. It didn't spend. Right now, let's just duplicate that $24, bid ad group and raise it by $10 to $15. So they're two separate, and just let them both run. Okay, let them both run, and let TikTok's algorithm do its thing. When it comes to this, guys, like I said, the bid is just so sensitive, and it's always with the new Pixel they put in, Pixel 2.0, with it changing, everything is, very, I would say, volatile at the moment, and you just need to give it time to do its thing. But also, when you change your bid higher and higher, you also have to change your budget higher and higher. So say if you took that $24 bid and you raised it to $34, your budget now has to be above $34. Remember, if you've looked at my previous videos on TikTok launching and TikTok scaling, you know that you have to keep the bid below the budget. So if it's a $34 bid, the budget has to be $35 and above. So guys, just make sure how you have your bids and your budgets at a good, spot. And guys, like I keep talking about this, right? Patience, right? Allowing the algorithm to run and improve. Don't be constantly changing your bids. One day it's 35, the next day it's 55, the next day it's 25, right? So give it time to do its thing. and have some patience. And TikTok is kind of similar to Google Ads in that aspect. Sometimes the bid needs a couple days to understand and run. So just be patient, guys, and follow these rules. And I continue to harp on this, like, avoid editing the bid and targeting more than every 2 days. Like, do you see how during the process of me telling you guys when you're raising these bids, wait at least 2 to 3 days, and for the first change, keep between 20% of your current bid. So you're not really throwing the TikTok algorithm out of place and just like kind of destroying your pixel and campaigns. Like when I first did that, I like changed the bid way too high and way too much initially, and it kind of like ruin my ad groups, right? Or just ruin the campaign. So I just want to let you guys know that like I made the mistake, so you don't have to. So like that's huge when learning from other people and watching different types of videos. Like look at the mistakes of what other people have made. Like for me, I messed up the bidding a decent amount, and I just want to tell you guys like what I did wrong, so you guys don't have to do the same mistakes. So yeah, guys, was just a quick video on TikTok bidding strategies and like the best practices when it comes to that. If you guys want more content like this, or things about TikTok, if you haven't already, I have this free Facebook group you guys can join called Ecom Huddle. It's completely free. We have an awesome group of members so far who are extremely informed about everything TikTok because of how close we are as a group. So if you guys want, you can join that. The link is in the bio. And again, just like and subscribe to this video because it just shows me that you guys like this TikTok content, or you just like dropshipping content in general, and I can just keep making videos like this to help you guys out. So guys, again, for watching this video, hopefully you learned a lot about TikTok bidding, and thanks guys.